Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can manage your property inside of booking.com. Okay, so as you can see here, we are inside of our property page inside of booking.com as a host. Okay, and what we can do from here is a bunch of different things. We can, for example, go to our schedule, to our calendar, and we can change the days our property is going to be available. Okay, so if we click in here, as you can see, I have my calendar in here, and all of these days my property is listed as you can book it basically, right, for a certain amount of money. What we can do here, we have a lot of options, but we can, for example, change the price of a set of days. In this case, what we can do is, for example, 90. And we can also open or close certain days for booking, both individually and as groups. Okay, so this is pretty much what we can do in the calendar. This is the most important settings, basically. Okay. Now, we can also go to the reservations menu to check our current reservations, which in this case, we don't have any because it's a new property. And we can also go to inbox to chat with our potential clients and, the people that will come to our property, basically, right? So this is pretty much it. And we can do a bunch of other stuff like uploading pictures to our property or checking our tax info and things like that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.